Conversation 1.
I like your family photos. Who is this?
That is my dad. He is a doctor.
Wow, he's very tall.
Yes, he is.
Is this your mum?
Yes, she is a doctor too.
Wow, smart family.
Conversation 2.
Who are these people?
That is my husband. In this picture, he is at work.
Is he a fireman?
Yes, he is. And this is my daughter.
Wow, she is so cute.
Yes, she is cute. Conversation 3.
Who are the people in this picture?
That is my older brother and younger sister.
Oh, what do they do?
My sister is a pilot. My brother is a farmer.
Wow, they have cool jobs.
Yes, they do. Conversation 4.
And who are these people?
Those are my grandparents.
Oh, do they live in town?
No, they live in the country. They have a farm.
How nice.
Yeah, I go there often.
Are you hot?
Yes, I am very hot.
Is the air con on? Alt. Is the air conditioning on?
No, it is off.
Can I turn it on?
Yes, please do.
Is your house big?
Yes, it is pretty big.
Is it new?
No, it is very old.
Is it nice?
Not really. I want to move.
I like your shoes. Are they new?
Yes, I just got them.
Are they expensive?
No, they are very cheap.
Are they from the discount show shop?
Yes. How did you guess?
Are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry.
Do you want pizza?
Yes, let's get some.
Is the pizza shop still open?
Yes, it is open 24 hours.
Natalie, let's talk about our favorite things.
Sure.
First, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Really? My favorite color is purple too.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I don't have purple clothing. I love the color purple, but I don't have purple clothes.
Oh, well, everything I wear is purple.
No kidding.
Yeah, really.
That's so cool. So what about food? What's your favorite food?
Good question. My favorite food is pizza. I love pizza, but I don't like really big pizzas.
I love pizza too. What is your favorite topping on pizza?
I like really spicy toppings. So salami or pepperoni, chilies, and sometimes bell peppers too.
Do you like thick pizza or thin pizza?
No, I don't like thick pizza because I can't eat too much. But the thin pizzas, I get lots of toppings and I don't feel so full.
Yeah, I agree. What about seasons? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is winter.
Winter?
Yeah, I love winter. Don't you?
No, I hate winter. Why do you like winter?
I love the snow.
Oh, I hate the snow. Well, I like the snow a little bit, but I hate cold weather.
Yeah, I guess the cold is kind of annoying, but the snow is so much fun. I go skiing and I play snowball fights and I build snowmen.
Yeah, that sounds fun. What about sports? What's your favorite sport?
I'd say my favorite sport is tennis.
That's interesting. Do you play tennis?
Yeah, but I'm not very good.
Do you like singles or doubles?
At the moment, I'm having singles lessons. They're really fun.
Oh, now you are taking tennis lessons.
Yes, about twice a week.
Do you watch tennis on TV?
Yes, I watch it all the time.
Who is your favorite tennis player?
I really like Roger Federer.
Yeah, he's really good. Okay, last question. What is your favorite movie?
I don't have a favorite movie, but I really like comedies.
So, what is your favorite comedy?
My favorite comedy is Ace Ventura.
Ace Ventura is very funny, but that movie is really old.
It is, but it's a classic, Todd.
It's like 20 years old, I think. Maybe more.
I know, I've seen it 100 times.
Yeah, I like it a lot too.
Conversation 1.
So, what foods do you like?
I like ice cream and pizza and apples.
Ooh, I like those foods too.
What foods do you like?
I like fish, vegetables, and bananas.
Together?
No, not together.
Conversation 2.
What drinks do you like?
I like tea. And I like juice.
Ooh, hot tea or cold tea?
Both. What about you?
I like coffee and hot chocolate.
Ooh, I like both too. Conversation 3.
What desserts do you like?
I really like ice cream.
Oh, what flavor do you like?
I like strawberry. I like vanilla too.
Nice. I like cake and I like pie.
What kind of pie?
I really like apple pie with ice cream.
Yum! Conversation 4.
What snacks do you like?
I like to eat fruit.
Oh, yeah? And what fruits do you like?
I like apples and oranges. And you?
I like strawberries and watermelon.
Do you like to eat cookies?
Of course. I love chocolate chip cookies.
Me too. Conversation 1.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up, I take a shower, I get dressed, and I eat breakfast.
Oh, when do you get up?
I get up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
I know. I like mornings though. Conversation 2.
What do you do during the day?
Well, I go to school. I teach students.
Oh, what do you teach?
I teach maths. What do you do?
I work at a bike shop.
Really? What do you do at the shop?
I fix and sell bikes.
Sounds fun. Conversation 3.
What do you do at lunch?
I eat with my friends. And you?
I eat in the park.
That's nice.
Yeah, I like to read on my lunch break.
Oh, what do you read?
I read about history.
Interesting. Conversation 4.
What do you do on the weekend?
I play sports at the park. How about you?
I study at the library.
Oh, right. You love books.
Yeah. So, what sports do you play?
I play soccer with my friends.
Sounds fun.
It is.